You can build a full-fledged pre-recorded course complete with sections, chapters, and then resources in each chapter. Just go to the course section and create a new course. Put in the course title and link it to the required mango or mangoes to get started. Now, this is where you can divide your course over sections, and then each section will have multiple chapters. You can upload any type of content in the chapters as the main content, and then you can even upload resources for that chapter which the subscriber gets to download and refer to. Think of this as a place where you can upload assignments or side notes for a particular chapter. The description box here is used to describe that particular content, so you can add in the description and save. Once all the content is uploaded and ready, you can update the course info and cover and then preview the whole course from this button right here. If all looks good, you can simply publish the course and then it will become accessible for all the subs of that Mango.